Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. As per the current protest getting conducted by resident doctors, the government had given assurance to FODA and the doctors who are protesting that they will try to put this matter in Supreme Court and request them for early hearing. Regarding the same matter, the Government of India, DGHS, Directorate General of Health Services, which is having in a head office in Nirman Vihar, New Delhi. They have written a letter to government advocate who will put the matter in the Supreme Court on their behalf. So this is the official letter written by Government of India, and they have mentioned all the points. Let's talk about the subject. Is in the matter of Dr. Neil Aurelio Nunes and this matter before Honorable Supreme Court of India regarding. So they have mentioned all the points. They have explained the situation which has created and its root cause. And if you go one by one, point by point, so they have mentioned total number of seat available for UG, that is MBBS, BDS and PG courses. For MBBS 84,000 seats, and for BDS 24,000 seats, and for PG 50,000 seats are available. Okay, and they have also mentioned that normally the exam for NEET PG gets conducted in the month of January, but due to ongoing pandemic, it got conducted in the month of September this year, and the counseling, which should actually start by March every year, it has been delayed up to November. Still is not started. The fourth point says the examination is conducted in month of May every year for UG, but due to ongoing, so they have put the matter both for UG and PG. So it's relevant for UG and PG. Since doctors who resident doctors for the PG, they are striking for PG counseling to get expedite, but ultimately it will impact both. The good news will be for both PG and UG, because for the same matter it's on hold. So the UG examination is also delayed, and the UG counseling process is also delayed. Point number 5 says that due to complete counseling process, lacks of candidates, counseling process is at stake, and lacks of candidates are suffering, and any further delay in the counseling will lead to a 0 year for both UG and PG. Considering this pandemic situation, there are no first year PG students in the hospitals, and the requirement of the first year doctors is essential and inevitable to reduce the burden on the second and third year doctors as well. Point number 6 says that examination for next session, that is 2022-23, has also been announced by ANB, which is scheduled to happen on 12th of March. The batch of 2021-22 has not even joined the medical college at Denton College. The whole counseling proceeding will take at least 2 months of time to complete. If the counseling of NEET UG and PG starts in month of November, the same will be completed in month of January, February 2022, mostly February end, since it's not started. NEET PG 2020 will be held in the month of March, and also the academic year, which usually starts in the month of August for PG, in the month of September for UG, has also been delayed exceptionally. Okay, the matter was listed on 25th of November for the proceeding, and now they say that in view of above position, the hearing of the proceedings listed on 6th of January. They have also mentioned that 3-member committee has been formed by Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment on 30th of November to revisit the ceiling limit, that upper limit of 8 lakhs set for EWS reservation. The Honorable Health and Family Welfare Minister has also taken up the matter with the higher dignitaries to resolve the parent issues. Meanwhile, temporary, just to the Honorable Human Health and Family Welfare Minister is also meeting the resident to look into the matter carefully and resolve the issue at earliest. So this letter is not written because to Supreme Court, but this letter written to the representative or the advocates who will put up the matter for early hearing in the Supreme Court on the behalf of government. Point number 10 says the counseling for NEET PG UG has been put on hold until further direction from Supreme Court. Next date of hearing matter is 6th of Jan. The resident doctors have decided to go on a strike from 6th of December due to an increasing burden on the second and third year residents. A meeting was held with Honorable Minister in presence of DGHS, MS, RML, GS and other stakeholders, and it has been decided to file an application for mentioning of this matter before the Supreme Court of India for commencing the counseling process, which will be subject to outcome of the present writ petition. Keeping the above facts in view, you are requested to kindly take the necessary steps for mentioning this matter before Honorable Supreme Court at the earliest. The issues with approval of the competent authority. So the letter is written by Professor Dr. V. Srinivasa, AG, ME, and Member Secretary, MCC. So the government has taken a further step, and it can be called a concrete step, but it's just a step taken internally. If any hearing date is finalized in Supreme Court and that date is published, you are able to see that date on the Supreme Court website. So that will be next step, and on the date of hearing they give the decision that okay, the counseling must proceed. They are not in situation to make further delays, considering many factors like the risk of third wave due to new variant and such things. Then only we will be assured that okay, there is some good news, but it's kind of like one step further. But the next thing we need to see when they decide to take further step for the hearing, and when the hearing date is finalized after they put forth in the Supreme Court. Okay, so we will keep you updating, but it's good news for all of us, like the doctors who should be in OPD and emergency services. They are compelled to be on road, and thus not a good thing to happen in a country like India, where we already are suffering from lack of doctors, and we have seen in the recent past. But they are compelled by the situation, and I'm in support with all the doctors, and I hope that something good we will able to hear in coming 1 week or some within 1 week. You will able to get some good news. If it doesn't happen within 1 week, then it's a hopeless situation. Okay, so I will keep you updating with all such updates. Until then, goodbye and take care, and have a nice day.